If you think you need urgent medical help, NHS 111 will assess you and direct you to the most suitable NHS service for your medical needs. NHS 111 is a free service for urgent medical help when it's not an emergency. It's important to remember that in a life-threatening emergency, you should always call 999. BSL users should use 999 BSL. Using NHS 111 is straightforward. You can get help from NHS 111 by using 111 online, via the NHS App, or by calling 111. To access the service online, visit 111.nhs.uk. You will need to answer a series of questions about your or someone else's symptoms, and you will receive advice and guidance on what to do next. Depending on your symptoms, you may be offered a callback from a healthcare professional, such as a nurse, doctor, or paramedic. The 111 online service is also available through the NHS App and can be located as an option on the NHS App homepage. 111 online is for people aged 5 and over. If you need help for a child under 5, you should call 111. If you call 111, you will speak to a trained call handler. They will ask about your or someone else's symptoms. Based on your answers, they will provide advice or direct you to the appropriate healthcare service. This could be an urgent treatment centre, being booked in to see a local specialist, or speaking directly to a healthcare professional. If you or someone else are experiencing a mental health crisis, you can call NHS 111 and select the mental health option for 24-hour urgent mental health advice and support. There are other ways to contact 111 if you have a hearing problem and require a BSL interpreter. If you need help in another language that is not BSL, you can call 111 and ask for an interpreter. Remember, if you need urgent medical help but you're not sure where to go, use 111 to get assessed and directed to the right place for you. Go online, use the NHS app, or call 111.